Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize a WordPress theme without needing to know any coding. So, let's get started. First, I'm logged into my WordPress dashboard, as you can see here. From the dashboard, go to the Plugins section and click Add New. This will take you to the plugin store where we're going to install some useful plugins. The first one I recommend is Elementor, a fantastic website builder that allows you to design and edit your site easily. There are other tools like Seed Pro, but for now, let's go with Elementor. Once Elementor is installed and activated, you'll see it appear on the left side of your dashboard. Now, let's go ahead and select a theme to edit. Head over to Appearance and click Themes. This will open the theme store. I currently have the Astra theme activated, but let's try out Ocean WP. Click Activate, and you'll see the theme is now active. Next, I'll go to Starter Templates to check out pre-made templates for Ocean WP. There are several free and premium templates available. Let's pick a free one. I like the fourth template. After selecting it, you can upload a logo. Simply choose your logo and adjust its size. Once you're happy with it, click Continue. Now, you can adjust the theme's look. Once you've selected everything, click Continue to move forward. The next step is to decide what content you want to import. You can choose to import widgets, content, theme settings, and more. The website will be built with the chosen settings, and once it's ready, you can start editing. After the website is built, click View your site to see it. Now, let's edit it using Elementor. Click Edit with Elementor to open the editor. You'll see various options on the left, where you can customize the content, fonts, and layout. Some features may be locked in the free version, but you can still do a lot with the free options. For example, let's change the main heading. Click on the text and edit it directly. You can also adjust the font size, text color, and even add text effects like underlines or shadows. Don't forget to click Update when you're done to save your changes. You can also change buttons. Click on any button to edit the text and link it to a specific page. If you want to add a new section, hover over an area and click Add Section. You can then drag and drop elements like images, text, or even videos into your new section. To add a video, click Video and drag it into your section. Then, paste your YouTube video link and adjust settings like autoplay or mute. Click Update to save the changes. Another cool feature is the shape divider. If you want to add a custom divider, like mountains or waves, go to the section settings, select Shape Divider, and choose your preferred shape. You can adjust its width, height, and color. Once you're happy with it, click Update. After making all your edits, you can exit the Elementor editor by clicking the three dots in the top left and selecting Exit to Dashboard. Your changes are automatically saved and you can view your website at any time. That's it. You've now customized your WordPress theme without writing a single line of code. Thanks for watching.